Hello everybody! Are you ready to create? I hope so, because it's time for your art lesson! Whoop whoop! Today I'm going to show you how to practice drawing elements to prepare for your final drawing, and we're going to look at a tiger. So it doesn't matter too much where you start for this, because it's just a practice paper. Don't worry if you make a mistake, we're just practicing here. So I'm starting with the eye, and I'm going to show you how to do a quite detailed eye. I started with 2 half circles. One bigger than the other, and then I'm doing a kind of wiggly line on top of it, and then I'm coloring in the pupil. Now feel free to freeze the frames and draw along it if you want to. And then I'm going to add a bit of texture, to the pupil by adding kind of lines coming out, and I'm going to do a bigger line going down, and that's going to be the eye. Now I'm making the edges of the eyes a little bit darker and slanted down, because that's like kind of cat's eyes and that tiger have. And if you do want to draw another cat or big cat, then you can use this as well. And I'm making it darker here again to make it like a tiger. They have darker around the eyes. I'm extending the line from the eye there. I'm just making it a little bit thicker and darker, giving it texture. I'm also going to add some sort of what they have above the eye, sort of eyebrows, and by adding texture, kind of a fur texture, by adding little lines on top of it. And there we have an eye. Now I'm going to show you how to do the nose. Start by a wavy line, like 2 little hills, and then plan where your nose is going to end up. It's almost like a triangle, and you follow the top line and then you drop down and then have a tiny triangle at the bottom, and you do the same for the other side. Don't worry if they're not exactly the same. Mine is not symmetrical, and that's going to give your tiger some character, so don't worry about that, and we're only practicing here. Adding some shadows underneath, and then dropping down the line, and I'm going to do another triangle, and that's where the mouth is. And then to finish off the nose, some lines going up going to the bridge of the nose. And there we have it. We have our tiger nose. You can add some, again, fur texture, kind of curving upwards to give that effect that they have around the mouth. And then of course you can add whiskers as well, and dots where the whiskers are. Now I'm just going to do a quick tiger to show you how it's assembled together. There you have the eyes again, and do the other one, which should be on the other side. There again, they're not exactly the same, and that's going to give my tiger some character. Don't worry if you do that. You don't need to start over or anything. I'm colouring in the pupils. Not adding the texture this time, because I just want to show you quickly how the whole tiger comes together. And then we're going to go for the nose. So there's the bridge of the nose, comes from above the eye and then comes down. Now, adding the nose. So I didn't do the wavy line at the top again, because I just want to show you quickly how to put it all together. Same with the mouth, instead of adding the texture. And I've run out of space. That's okay, we're doing a practice paper, and it's okay if it overlaps. And now, tigers don't have mane, but they still have quite a lot of hair around the side, so added long lines, etc. Here we go. I'm also going to show you how to practice some leaves. Now if you have some tropical plants around your house, you can copy them, that's brilliant, or you can look at the drawings I've provided. And I'm just doing a snake now, because it's a jungle scene, so we can have a snake coming down. And then maybe add a pattern interesting. There we go, we have a snake. Do your own plants, do your own composition. This is just to get you started so that you know, you practice a few of those elements, but then you can make your own composition with your own tiger in a jungle picture. So I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see your paintings. Thank you.